I'll be showing you how you delete your Roblox account. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. To do that, let's just tap on the more here and then let's move to our settings. Good. And on here we move to settings here. Good. On the settings page we move to account info. Good. On this section you tap on the drop down button there, and now we select privacy and content restrictions. On this section you can see account deactivation and deletion. The last option, let's just tap on that, and you can see deactivate and initiate account deletion. So you tap on the initiate to start the account deletion process. So if you initiate that, you are going to lose everything, just like they are saying it cannot be reversed and the rest. So you tap on the initiate. So now all we need to do is we need to request for account deletion. You can see here. So what you are going to do is you see the support form there, just tap on that. I'm not going to delete my accounts, but I'm going to show you guys the procedures involved. Yeah, it's very simple. So on here, what you need to do is you just fill in the necessary information, your username, your first name, your email, and you confirm that. And then your device type, you can just, select any device type. If it's Android, anything of your choice. Good. And then type of help, you select this. Scroll to the bottom. And I want to delete my account. You can see the option here. See the arrow on your screen, you select that. I want to delete my account, and then the help type, I want to delete my account. Good. Now after filling everything here, you should have the continue button, and then you tap on that and they'll process that and delete your account for you. Very simple. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.